guys, it's Anna. Welcome to my channel if you're new to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're not new to my channel. So today I have an Allure Beauty Box and Walmart Beauty Box unboxing. Today I have two boxes to unbox. First, I'm going to start off with the Walmart Beauty Box since it's a little extra for today's Allure Beauty unboxing. This is a $5 a month, not a month, every couple months, and you just subscribe, and then when they want to ship it out to you, they'll ship it out to you and charge you $5, basically. In this box, it's mostly drugstore products, but sometimes you find some new things. So let's open up the box. First off, when you get the box, you always get a couple of coupons and scan if you want a certain item. So we're gonna put these to the side. It doesn't look like there's any coupons in this one, but let's randomly pull in here. And the first item I see, oh, this is so cute. So inside the box is the Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towel. So perfect for traveling. I'm definitely just gonna like throw this in my luggage. So by the way, I'm leaving today to go home and everything's packed. And I was like, I need to film a video. So we're filming this very quickly. But it's just one makeup toilet. That's perfect. I'm gonna throw that in my luggage. Bingo. The next item in the box is a bigger thing. Oh, it's broken. So it's an Avena moisturizing lotion. It's supposed to be wheat smelling, so like all natural. It smells like baby. So I'm gonna save this for my next lotion to use. Don't want to throw that one in my luggage. The next item in here is the other piece of the lotion that broke. The next item in here is a Degree Ultra Clear Black and White deodorant. I forgot to put deodorant on today because I'm traveling. So I just tried the spray and it's slightly more powerful than the large size item. But I'm gonna stick this in my backpack. So if I need some while I'm traveling, I have an extra one. The next item in here is, wow, it's a full-size nail polish. It's called Take It or Leave It. It is like a pretty neutral pink. It's like a very light one, and that's gorgeous. This is by far one of my favorites so far because this alone would cost like $6 or $7. This would cost you maybe $3, it would cost you maybe $4 or $5. So all of these together are slowly adding up to be maybe even more than some larger beauty boxes. And then the last item in here, which is the NYX Metallic Lip Cream. So they come in 2 shades. I'm just gonna rip the box open because I don't need this after. And inside it's all beautifully packaged and I no longer have that beautiful packaging. We're gonna throw the papers in here. These 2 lip creams, they are in the shades. This is in the shade California and this is in the, nope, that's where it's made. This is in the shade SMC65 and then this one's in the shade SMMLC13. I don't know why that's so complicated. So they're very similar pinks. This one's slightly darker than this one. Both metallic, so definitely like a lip topper. Oh, it's very thick. It's a very shiny lip thing, but I definitely could like wear it with like neutral eye look. Maybe even looks with this well. I'm gonna mix the other color on top, the lighter one, and make sort of an ombre look. Oh, this one's not metallic, but this one is. So this is supposed to be the base, and then this is supposed to be the topper. I'm so intelligent sometimes. I definitely probably will take these to go traveling as well. They're very thick, but at the same time also lightweight. So it's kind of like a lipstick with a liquid lip feel, if that makes any sense. Now let's hop into the Allure Beauty Box. This is the box of February. It's currently March and I never filmed this. I just got wrapped up with the coronavirus. My school's getting canceled, that's why I'm leaving to go home. But anyway, if you don't know what Allure Beauty Box is, it's a monthly subscription box. It is $15 a month and the first box is $10. And always on time. On top is the promo card that explains every item in there. We're not gonna open this yet, but it says the full-size items as well. The first thing I see is Wander Glow After Hours highlighter. So this is a highlighter. It is in a gold shade. It's called After Hours and it's a typical highlighter color, if I'm gonna be honest. I want something different from highlighters and subscription boxes. Every single time you see this golden highlighter or a silver highlighter, and it's not even as pigmented as some of the other ones I have. Every time. It's okay. It comes in a magnetic little box, which I can appreciate. It seems like it's full size, but I don't think it is. And It is formulated without mineral oil, parabens, it's cruelty-free, and it doesn't have any fragrances or synthetic fragrances. That's really good. Hop on to the next item I see, which is a Belief Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. And it's so cute. So it comes in a single packaging. It's just for a single use. And it's after moisture, apply a thin layer across your face, leave overnight, and rinse off in the morning. And it comes all packed up like this. And I definitely could like put things in here after, like travel around with another sleeping mask. This is very cute and I love it. The next item in here, which is in a tube, which we don't love, but we'll accept, is the Bare Minerals Skin Tutorials Vital Power Infusion. What is this? So it's in a little tube like this. Oh, it's like a moisturizer. Let's stick this back in here. So what comes in this is like this thin moisturizer that feels really nice on the skin, and I definitely could see myself just applying a thin layer. And that's from Bare Minerals. I've never tried this. I'll travel with this as well. The next item in the box is a brush, which I haven't had a brush in a subscription box in a very long time. It is a fluffy brush. It feels quality. Woo! Next, I didn't know you had very nice brushes. The bottom is very, very thick. It's very durable. And I could see myself either highlighting with this, and applying blush, contour even, bake. This is like a multi-purpose brush, powder. Ooh, we like. Very soft, very smooth. I'm taking this with me. The next item in the box is the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer, fragrance free. It is a little, oh, so you think the packaging, how big do you estimate it to be? Like this big? Half even? No. It's the size of my pinky. I think this is the extra for this month, and there is a $3 coupon inside. It's not terrible. I definitely will be giving this to my grandmother because she would love this. It's a fragrance-free, nice moisturizer. I don't often use moisturizer just because I have very oily skin already, but that's okay. The next item is this Appeal lipstick. So this Appeal lipstick is in, ooh, it's popping out of the container. Oh, it's very soft. It's very, very creamy. Okay, so this is, I don't know what shade this is in. However, it is full size. Again, very similar to the next sort of colors I have on, but I can also travel with this, so we're taking that with me too. And then the last item in here, if I can get it out, is the Honey Jar Super Beauty mask. And it is a sheet mask that you can apply on your face. Now let's look at prices and let me tell you how I feel about everything. So let's start off with the beauty mask. This costs $3. The Appeal lipstick is $21. I don't value it that high. You're not better than MAC, and MAC is $18. The Belief full-sized is $58. The Bare Minerals full-size is retails at $58. The X brushes is $14 to $17, depending on what brush you got. And lastly, the full-size Wonder Beauty highlighter is $30. Wow, so this box is valued at a pretty high value. It's a mix of everything, and that's what I like about Allure Beauty Box, and it's improving so much over time. I still like BoxyCharm best, but after the scandals that BoxyCharm's been pulling, I'm not supporting them as much. And I'm thinking about canceling, but that's not definitive yet. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, before I go, I want to tell you guys something. Y'all should subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell, like and comment this video, follow me on all my social media platforms. I've got Instagram, Snapchat, Depop, Twitter, and TikTok, of course. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching.